The next option we have is your item allocation strategy. We have three different options: the committed, shared, and unlimited. With committed, what this means is that you specify the quantities you want to sell on each marketplace. So for example, let's say that you have a quantity of 10 items and you're selling on both Etsy and eBay. Then you might specify a quantity of 5 for eBay and a quantity of 5 for Etsy. Then let's say that one of those items sells on eBay. Your eBay quantity would be reduced to 4 and your Etsy quantity would remain at 5. The shared strategy, on the other hand, allows you to share those quantities across marketplaces. So in that same example, that quantity of 10 would be sent to both eBay and Etsy. So you would have a quantity of 10 on both marketplaces. And then when an item sells on eBay, in the same example, both your Etsy and eBay quantities would be reduced by a quantity of 1 and would be a quantity of 9 instead. Most of the time I would recommend using the shared listing strategy. There's a very slight possibility of overselling. If, for example, that quantity of 10 was to be purchased from both eBay and Etsy right around the same time, not giving our system enough time to update, then there is that slight possibility of overselling. So that is why some people would rather choose the committed strategy. And then the third strategy is unlimited, and this is a great strategy for those that are able to get virtually an unlimited supply of the items that they're selling. Maybe you make your items to order and you have the supplies that you need to make those items, and you can make them pretty quickly. Then you might choose the unlimited strategy, and that allows you to keep selling even if your inventory quantities go into the negative. It allows you to keep selling those items to people that are purchasing them.